Good day, sir. This is my reporting about watertight integrity. Watertight integrity refers to a ship's ability to prevent water from entering unintended spaces through its hull, decks, bulkheads, doors, and hatches, and other openings. It ensures the vessel remains buoyant and stable even when damaged. And how it works. Ships are divided into separate compartments by watertight bulkheads and decks. These act as barriers, creating a, a structure. If one compartment is breached, the water is contained there. It prevents it from flooding in the entire ship. And the importance, the buoyancy and stability prevent excessive loss of buoyancy, maintain the ship's upright position and prevent capsizing or listing. Damage control limits flooding to localized areas, allowing the ship to stay afloat even after or groundings.